The Indian Air Force has signed a contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for procurement of indigenous lightweight man-portable modern communication sets. The Navy Chief has inaugurated an integrated underwater harbor defense and surveillance system at the Andaman and Nicobar Command that has the ability to detect and identify both underwater and surface threats. The Indian Navy sailors embarked on a tour of the USS Jefferson City nuclear attack submarine that provided Indian Navy sailors with invaluable insights into the operational dynamics of their US counterparts. Jindal Stainless has signed an agreement with Visakhapatnam MSME Technology Center for manufacturing value-added products used in the launch of missiles and satellites. The Russian envoy to India Denis Alipov has said that Russia remains India's reliable and time-tested friend, but the US is trying to threaten this relationship with sanctions, due to which some Indian partners are forced to exercise caution. The DRDO's Aeronautical Development Establishment has revealed a model duct fabricated with magnetic flakes for its upcoming 13-ton Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle, as well as radar cross-section of the duct, with the radar-absorbing material and without the radar-absorbing material. The model duct's magnetic flakes are a crucial component of the UCAF's stealth technology, as these flakes absorb radar waves, making the UCAF more difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. A picture of Tejas aircraft equipped with advanced short-range air-to-air missile has appeared on social media, and its first test is also expected very soon. It features low-drag, aerodynamic airframe, unrivaled Mach 3+ speed, and maneuverability throughout its flight. It has a range of over 25 kilometers and is capable of pulling high G tons of 50 G. The Navy Chief has said that the Indian Navy is all set to start phased deployment of the naval anti-drone system across its frontline warships. It has been developed by DRDO and manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited, and it uses radar and electro-optical sensors and radio frequency detectors to detect and jam the micro-drones, and can even destroy them using a laser-based kill mechanism. The Ministry of Defence has accorded acceptance of necessity for the procurement of 155mm 52 caliber towed gun system along with gun towing vehicles to the Indian Army. It must have a maximum combat weight less than 15 tons, a maximum range of more than 40 kilometers, a service life of at least 20 years, and it must be compatible with all in-service 155mm ammunition. A request for proposal will soon be issued to eligible Indian defense manufacturers who meet the technical and eligibility criteria. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.